Okay, we are here on the MSC Meraviglia, room 14068. It's a balcony cabin, and let's take a tour.
Hey, welcome aboard.
So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the bathroom. That's always everybody's first thing that they want to see. So you have two hooks up here on your door, and you have a corner sink with shelves.
We have a tub. I hadn't even been in there yet. Sorry to interrupt you, huh?
It's all right. And you have a cabinet down here. And a little shelf. And it's just a shower with like a half door and a tub. And it goes kind of back there, so it's plenty of room back there. And there's even like a little string to go across to put your wet bathing suits or your towels and things on. And it does come with shampoo and shower gel, and has a very nice shower that unhooks, which that's always nice for the ladies to hit their legs and things like that. It's a very nice bathroom. Plenty of room for fluffy people to use the bathroom. All right. And then we have three hooks here to hook things on, so like towels, things like that, or coats. When you come in, there's a tall mirror here. Hello. You have a desk, a hair dryer. All of our information is laid out very nicely here for us to look at. We have all the hookups you could ever want. It's a USB, and I think that's a European type of hookup. And then we have two over here that are the regular standard hookups. And under the desk, you have a bench / table. So you can use this as a table at your sofa, or you can use this as a bench to put your makeup on or sit at your desk.
You want me to operate the closet?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So you got your safe. Gotta make sure you close this to be able to open both. So you gotta kind of do that one. Well, maybe do what I said. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Garment bag, plenty of hangers. Yeah.
And you got plenty of shelves there to put your stuff, and there's two drawers down at the bottom. And you have a mini bar here, which we will not be using because it is a charge for the mini bar.
It's the premium there.
And we did not get that package. We only got the Easy Plus package. We didn't get the premium package, which would have included that. We also have a sofa here. And from what I remember, it is not a pull-out sofa. It's just a sofa. And
yeah, I believe it is. What you said.
You just have two shelves over here on each side of your bed. And a light that cuts off all the lights. Lights here, one for reading, one for your bedside.
I don't know which one that was, but it cut them all off.
The one at the bottom cuts everything off. And so this right here is our bed. It looks plenty big. It looks comfortable. The room decor is nice. It's like a burgundy and a gray, in shades of gray, and it looks really good and roomy. And even the artwork,
Yeah.
looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
So
This is our first balcony.
We're
excited.
First balcony ever.
Show him that.
And of course he's going to tell me to show you that because I never can get these doors right. But that was fairly easy. On the outside of our balcony, we have like a little stool. You can use that for either your food if you're going to sit out here and eat, or just to put your feet up. This is our, we chose this. We chose the overhang so that it wouldn't be real sunny in our room. We'll see how it goes. I know it does block your view, but we thought it wouldn't be bad. But we're still in port, as you can tell. Still a beautiful view. Plenty of room.
What, we're not in Aurora. What is this package?
We're in the Fantasia package, so, or Fantastica, I can't remember, Fantastica. And so basically it's just, we're excited. We're getting ready to look at all of our daily welcome stuff, and we'll get back to you soon. Take care.
We were on board before 11 a.m. So we had a lot of time to just sit around and relax, get to know the room, and before noon, our luggage arrived. Here's a few pictures from the deck of some of our stops. I hope you enjoy them. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to mention there was a couple of things we had forgot to tell you, that there is a light that you can cut on just as you come in the door for do not disturb, and a light for housekeeping. And as you could see, we had room service, which is a part of the Fantastica